I've had a phobia of vomit for well over 20 years, and I came across Michael through Facebook. Just like everyone else with fears and phobias, I thought I wasn't curable, but I came to Michael. I've had 3 sessions. The first session was just chatting and going through all the fears and around the vomiting, and the second and the third was actual hypnotherapy sessions, and today was my last third final session, and I can confidently say I feel I'm cured. We've just gone out as well to test at what would be normal for normal people out in the supermarkets, but for me it wasn't, and also a doctor's surgery. So again, a big high five to Michael. Thanks so much.
So you used to have a really manic fear of both vomiting and loud noises, is that correct?
Yes.
And you now know beyond all shadow of a doubt they're gone?
Yes.
How do you know?
We've tested the loud noises as well on YouTube, and I don't...
That was gunfire, wasn't it?
Yeah, gunfire. I don't associate the noises with any anxiety.
Congratulations.
Thank you.